Assalamualaikum students, 3 class NA, and you know that we are on unit number 10. Students, we studied in previous lecture about questions with propositions at the end. Students, I told you that what is proposition and what are questions. As you know, I told you that questions are what, when, whose, which, where, and proposition I told you that how we can use at the last of the questions. Now students, I hope that you have made sentences that end with proposition. Like I told you that what are they waiting for, like in the last of the sentence there is for proposition and in the start there is what. Now students, page number 51 we will do today. The picture is there, you can see here there is dog and some persons are there and one is policeman. So here sentences they have given, let's read. The man is running after the dog. You know that there is dog and the man is running after the dog. Here students, you can see after is preposition. The man is shouting at the dog, here at is preposition. The policeman is pointing at the dog. The woman is looking at the dog. The girl is smiling at the dog. The boy is laughing at the dog, here at, after preposition. Now students, these are sentences and here they have given make 5 sentences like this one, the answer, them, then answer. First students, they are saying that make sentences they have given and we have to make questions. Like here students, we have read sentences. Now we will make questions from these sentences. For example, first question is, what is the man running after? Students, our topic is questions with preposition at the end. So we have to use preposition at the end of the question. So first question is, what is the man running after? The answer is, the man is running after the dog. Second question is, you will make, what is the man shouting at? The man is shouting at the dog. Next, what is the policeman pointing at? The policeman is pointing at the dog. Like this you will make question and answer is there. Now question number 3, answer these questions. What do you write with? Students, these questions answers you will write by yourselves. What do you write with? Answer you will write, I write with pencil. What do you draw with? What do you point with? What do you talk with? What do you measure with? And what do you eat with? The answers you will give on your notebook. Now question number 4, now make some more questions using with. Students, like they have used their with in the last of the sentences, you will make from their words they have given. First, walk and legs. So first sentence how you will make, I will tell you. So first question you will make that, what do you walk with? In the last of the question you will use with. So what do you walk with? The answer is, we walk with our legs. Answer is there, legs. Next, see, what do you see with? We see with, you can use here I also. I see with my eyes. Next, here, ears, answer. Hold things, hands. Touch things, fingers. These are words and you will make firstly questions and then you will give answer. Like they have given example, first, what do we walk with? We walk with our legs. Now students, page number 52, there are filling the blanks. And students, in unit number 9 we have read about WH words like what, which, where, when or whose, and now we will use in filling the blanks. So first is, dash are the children going? Answer is where. Where are the children going? Next, dash are they carrying? What are they carrying? Dash is the teacher standing. Where is the teacher standing? Next, dash is the teacher looking at. Students, now in previous page we have read about the preposition, that when preposition is used at the end, then in the start of the sentence we use what. So here we will use what. What is the teacher looking at? Dash time is it? What time is it? When does school begin? Dash boy is tall. Which boy is tall? Which boy is short? Which girl is tall? Next are same. Students, you will write on your notebook. Now on page number 53, there is picture and you will make paragraph from this picture. For example, here some men are standing on bus stop and the policeman is pointing at the door. They are quarreling and one boy is running. Like this you will make paragraph from this picture on your notebook. Now students, in this lecture we read about questions, sentences, that how you will make from their questions and then you will give answer. And question number 3 you will do on notebook, question number 4 as well, and next page you will solve on your notebook, your book, filling the blanks. And from page number 53 you will make paragraph from this picture. Clear? Allah Hafiz.